Hi, I'm Kulbinder Dio, CEO of bionicGPT, and we specialize in secure, on-premise generative AI solutions built for the corporate world. Now, a critical challenge we consistently hear from management is around control. How do you manage AI costs, especially with external models? And for internal deployments, how do you govern access and prevent overuse effectively? Now, this concern often leads to hesitation, a fear that empowering teams with AI means losing oversight or facing runaway budgets. But at bionicGPT, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between robust control and employee productivity. So bionicGPT provides multiple levels of control, and in this video, we'll dive into specific functionality within our platform designed to give you precisely that balance, ensuring cost management and secure, effective usage without hindering your team's ability to innovate. So let's take a closer look. On the screen, we're looking at the admin view of bionicGPT, and as such, you'll see a few additional menu items. We'll start at the top and then show the lower fine-grained options available. So we'll start at the model definition stage. So bionicGPT allows you to define and use multiple models, and these can be deployed locally or accessible via cloud-based SaaS offerings. When you're setting up a model in bionicGPT, you can easily define limits like the maximum number of tokens a user can generate per minute and the maximum number of requests they can send. This gives you fine-grained control over how your infrastructure is used, helping to prevent abuse, manage load, and ensure fair usage across your team or organization. And if you're using externally hosted models, these limits also help you keep a tight handle on costs by avoiding unexpected usage hikes. The next layer of control in bionicGPT is around API keys. So we go to our rate limits window. So these keys let you securely connect external systems like custom code written by your data science team to your models and data. And just like with user access, you can apply rate limits to each API key, setting caps on tokens per minute and requests per minute. Now, this not only gives you visibility into how external systems are interacting with your models, but it also helps you manage performance and control costs, especially when running against pay-per-use APIs. Now, the next level of control we can apply within bionicGPT is around data sets. So, bionicGPT gives you powerful controls over data access and usage, which can be managed at both the individual and team level. So when uploading documents for use in RAG pipelines, you can set different visibility levels. You can keep them private so only you can access them, or you can share them with your team or make them public so anyone with an account can use the data set. Now, closely tied with data sets is our concept of assistants. Now, these are custom AI assistants or chatbots that you can create with a system prompt and access to one or more data sets. They're great for tailoring responses to specific use cases, and just like datasets, assistants also have flexibility around visibility settings, allowing you to keep them private, team shared, or publicly accessible. Now, this covers a large part of the controls directly available within bionicGPT. Now, what we also offer, in addition to that, is built-in observability through Grafana. So this includes pre-configured dashboards that give administrators a real-time view into how the system is being used. All user requests and responses are securely logged, providing a valuable source of insight for administrators. Access to this data is tightly controlled and can even be encrypted, ensuring sensitive information stays protected at all times. Now, these logs aren't just about oversight. They're actually a powerful tool for helping organizations understand how generative AI is being used across the business. They can reveal common use cases, highlight where teams might benefit from additional training, and help spot any misuse before it becomes a problem. Now, this kind of visibility has been especially useful in our fixed-term pilot development or deployment offerings. For a small fixed price, organizations can roll out a fully functional generative AI system, gain real-world usage insights, and use the results to shape their broader AI strategy and training plans. It's a safe, controlled way to explore generative AI with the peace of mind that responsible usage is being actively monitored. There's a lot more functionality packed into bionicGPT, But in this short video, we focused on the powerful control features that give organizations the confidence to roll out generative AI safely and responsibly. If you'd like to learn more or discuss how bionicGPT can support your specific requirements, we'd love to hear from you. Just get in touch. You can book a call with us by clicking on the Book a Demo button on our website, which is at bionic-gpt.com. Thank you very much.